Welcome, my dear students, for a new video in the production management, a new one in production management. Welcome, everybody. Today, we will talk another topic about the production strategies. We will be here for the production strategies. So, what do you mean by production strategies? Here we go. We can see now strategies is the total pattern of decision and action that position the organization in its environment and that are intended to achieve its long-term goals. The word strategy means one thing. The word strategy means of a vital importance. So it's the strategic decisions are those of a vital importance for the company. And also a small mistake in these kind of decisions will lead to a big disaster. The frequency of these decisions is not too much. However, its effect is very, very, very great and has a great impulse and effect on the whole or the overall company performance. For that reason, this work is always very hard to formulate a right strategy. Operation strategy, like you see here, has content and process. The content concerns of specific decisions which are taken to achieve specific objectives. The process is the procedures which is used within the business to formulate the strategy. Okay, what about the strategies which we use? And this is the most important part here now today. What are the strategies of the production department? What are they? The first one is the top-down perspective, views strategic. Decisions at number of levels, corporate strategy sets the objectives of different business, which makes a group of business. Business strategy sets the objective for each individual business and how it positions itself in the marketplace. But we have also the functional strategy, set the objective of each function's contribution. So for the whole business, the whole business strategy is aggregate, but the functional strategy is working on a function level. The bottom-up view, operate strategy sees overall strategies as emerging from day-to-day operational experiences. So putting an operational strategy together is called the process. When we put the operational strategies together, all of them is called the process. Okay. Okay. We'll go for the forecasting part later on, but I want just to let you know something about the strategies. Here we go. The 4 stages of process operational strategy. I want you to know this point. First, we have to formulate the strategy. We have to formulate it, the plan, what we are going to do. We have to formulate it. Second, operational strategy implementation. We have to implement that strategy. So first we formulate it. Second, we implement it. Third, we have to monitor the strategy. While we are working on it, we have to monitor it. Fourth, operational strategy control. We have to control so that if there is any mistakes or errors or deviations, you have to correct these deviations. So again, the 4 stages of the process of operational strategy started with formulation, then implementation, then monitoring the strategy and control the strategy. One thing also I want you to know as example. So if the competitive factors between me and people in the markets as example, the determinant factor is the low price. So my strategy or objective is the cost to reduce the costs. If it was high quality that you are and your competitors are in this area looking for high quality, who is better? The one with a higher quality. So focus your strategy on the quality. If the point determinant factor in the market was fast delivery to the clients, then your focus or strategy will focus on the speed. If the reliable delivery, then your focus on the dependability, and so on. The flexibility, the innovative, be flexible. Okay, so here are some points. The scope of production and operation management. What is the meaning of the scope of production and the operation management? The scale of production. So the operation management here, or production, like you see here, production or operation management, is related to all the other activities in the company, like the quality control, the production planning, the production process, the production design, the plant layout, the location facilities, maintenance management, materials management, and each one of them is one chapter in our studies here. So because those are the combination, the parts of the total product management. So what are the objectives of operation management? The product service characteristics, about the qualities, the cost, high quality with a lower costs, process characteristics. The process should be simple. Product service quality, the higher the quality, the better we are. Efficiency always care about thrifting, about the economic aspect. Effective employee relation and cost control of labor. Cost control of materials, so that the materials will not be too much cost. Cost control in facility utilization, customer services, producing quantities, meeting the required delivery dates, adaptability for future survival. These are the main points. The focus in the strategy on the operation or the production strategy will focus on top-down perspective, what the business wants operation to do. Market requirements perspective, what the market needs. How will I satisfy my clients? What is the way to satisfy my own clients? This is regarding what the market needs. So operation strategy will focus about the client's needs. The operation strategy will cause about what is the main task or the objective which we need from the production department. Operation resources perspective also, what are the resources which we'll use? The materials, the capital, the human materials, the experienced people. Like we said before, these will affect the productivity. So it will affect about the strategy as well. What day-to-day experiences like suggest operations should be bottom-up perspectives. So the functional part of the strategy. Here, I just want you, operation can affect economic performance by reducing the cost, satisfying the customer needs, reduce the cost, amount of investment, the resources, and future innovation. And these are the points which can affect about the resources. Like here you see here, those are the main points which we care about when we do strategic operations for our production. The production strategy depends on this point, on the cost to reduce the cost, speed to deliver the product in a very quick time, quality, the higher quality, the better we are, flexibility, so it will allow the innovation. Dependability means that the delivery should be in the fastest time, as soon as possible. See, here we go, the quality, product performance, cost efficiency, low product price, so you can compete. Dependability means reliable, timely delivery of orders to customers. Flexibility, responding rapidly with new products or a change in the market or the volume, whatever it is. Like we said before, those are the production strategy. I have here a main question is about the operation or the operation strategy or production strategy. Control and C, and I will say production strategy is of a vital important to all other departments. Discuss the meaning, or I will say comment only, that's more than enough. I will just say comment. And this is question number 11 today. Comment. So you will say the types of strategies, the relationship between production department and other departments. You will see the objectives of the main objectives of any production strategy, types of production strategies. So you will put all what we talk about here in this video in the answer here. Shall wait here around 5 minutes to have your answers. Remember, types of production strategies. We had it in one slide here. Okay, I'll show it to you back. The stages also here, the relationship between the production management and other departments, and this also will be put in concern when we formulate our strategy. The strategy depends on the cost, the quality, the speed, dependability, flexibility, and innovative. And the stages for operational or production strategy are the start, formulation of the strategy, implementation of the strategy, monitoring the strategy, and control the strategy to know if we have problems or no in that strategy. Shall stop here for the moment for around 5 minutes to take your answers. You can also go for Google search and for bonus marks for the question. Thank you so much. So our topic was about the production strategy, and we said many points: type of strategy, the process of the strategy, and shall see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Thank you.